entire bathroom. Forgot.
Bailey, did you finish Annalisa's breakfast this morning? We left and there was still food on this plate.
Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
Let's go find the culprit. Where's your sister at? Did you do this? Did you do this? Did you make a mess?